When I posted about 3D printing without support before, there were several questions about my printing setup and some of the techniques that I use. Also, I've changed some of the processes since then, so I thought it'd be a good idea to post another video. My current printer is a RepRap based Tantalus with a 100mm by 100mm by 100mm print envelope. I print primarily using PLA because it's more ecologically friendly and is food safe. The system is small enough to be portable, and that allows me to print any place that's convenient, even on the dining room table. All of my printing is done using the built-in SD card interface, so that I don't have to worry about computer or communication problems, especially during extended prints. I've switched from using the 3M blue tape, and I'm now printing directly onto glass. I pre-coat the glass with a thin layer of water-soluble white glue, the type that's used in preschools and kindergartens. Although the glue layer thickness is a little bit tricky, it's quite durable, and I've been able to print more than a dozen parts without having to recoat the glass. I seldom experience any warping problems, but when it does occur, it's always in the front left-hand corner, which leads me to suspect that my print bed isn't perfectly level. Most of the parts on the printer were printed in PLA, including the gears. The herringbone gears that drive the X and Y axis shafts have effectively zero hysteresis. That results in extremely good print quality and smooth surface finishes. Of course, it helps that all of my parts are printed with 100 micron layers. I have gone down as far as 40 micron layers for parts when necessary. The printer uses high-performance fishing line to move the print head, and this has always produced consistent results with no slipping or stretching. Because it's a Bowden design, the print head has low mass and allows it to move quite fast. This test part is a 30mm hollow cube. The G-code was created using KissSlicer, which produces consistently good results that are dimensionally accurate. I used to use Slicer, but found it to be too unpredictable and often frustrating, so I gave up using it. The primary challenge with this part is to bridge the gaps at the top of the cube without support. The printer, with a little bit of fine-tuning, is definitely up to the challenge. There are a few stringers, but those cleaned up easily with an X-Acto knife. I really believe that a 3D printer is a tool that should provide consistently reliable results with a minimum of operator intervention. So far, Tantalus fills those expectations better than any other printers that I have tested.